what I have here is a Sharp Elsi Mate EL-386R twin power calculator. It has a 10-digit LCD display, and on the back here, here's a code. I don't know if it's serial code or date code, but it says 9C010. Made in China. And that actually specifies that what battery it uses, but I've tried taking this calculator apart before, but I've never been able to get it open. But, oh yeah, did I forget to mention that the front panel falls off because the glue wore out? Yeah. And you can see where the battery is right there. And trust me, I've tried multiple times to get this calculator apart. I just can't get it apart. But yeah. Got a lot of US patents here. Huh. Yeah, it's also got a stand. Help you stand it up. And I'm gonna just put this back real fast. So yeah, it's just standard. It's got solar cell, so you don't have to worry about the battery dying all the time. It has percents, it has tax, it has memory functions, and well, to be honest with you, I don't really know too much about it. I've searched it up on the internet before. I haven't found its information with regards to the specific calculator. But I've had this thing as long as I can remember, and I just wanted to show you this. So let's get into some of the features that it has. So starting off, we got standard 4 functions: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Very self-explanatory, 1 plus 1 equals 2, times 3 equals 6, divided by 9 is that, and minus 1 is that. So yeah, standard function calculator, and it's also got percents. So type in percent. I don't think I did that right. I feel kind of stupid not knowing how to use the percent function. But it's got percents. Over here, it's the button you press for positive and negative. So that's -9, -3, because a negative plus a positive is really just a positive minus a positive. But whatever. It's got tax, which tax rate, you can enter a tax rate. I don't know how to use a lot of stuff on this calculator. I don't have the manual. And despite the fact I've had the calculator my whole life, I don't know how to use it to its full potential. I have used it for standard 4 functions, but really not too much. If you guys know anything more about this calculator, I'd like to know. And if you could provide me a source for more information, that would be nice too. But yeah, it's got this stuff. It's got this over here, 5454 answer check, F3210A. I do know that the 3s, 0, 1 do represent decimal points. For example, I have a 3, and it represents how many decimal points I have. Put it on 2, it'll have 2. Put it on 1, it'll have 1. And put it on 0, obviously it'll have none. I don't know what F or A does. All I know is that, I don't know. It does have a memory function. Whoops, I hit the tripod real fast there. You can see here, 6, add that to memory. And I could 3, let's recall memory. And then, there you go, 3 plus 6 equals 9. Could remove memory. Over here is some sort of counter. It's kind of covered by tape here. Hold on, let me get a better shot of this. Over here is a counter of sorts. see the amount of operations I do, it goes up. I don't know exactly what that counter is. I don't know what it's counting. Again, I do need help finding out information about this calculator. But yeah, and it's very this is supposed to look like this. So yeah, it's also very yellowed. It's a very yellow calculator. Lots of exposure to ultraviolet light made it very yellow. Yeah, looks ugly, but I actually won a contest with one of my teachers for some of the worst yellowed calculators. She had one that was kind of yellow, but this thing just threw it out of the water. So it's a little story I had with this. It's fun. And personally, I can't really show you too much about a calculator. Like, it's just a calculator. Don't know what else to show you. But I kind of also made this video to let anyone know that if they have any information about this calculator they know of, or there's a source on the internet, you can tell me and I could learn more about this calculator, because to be honest with you, I don't really know too much about this thing. I've tried finding instruction manuals on the internet. I tried figuring out how to take it apart and stuff. I just don't know how it works. So if you guys have any information, that'll be great. So not too much this time. I'll see you later. Bye.